pleasure to be here this afternoon. I know you probably don't know this, but we're actually a very new quartet. Today is our 6-week anniversary.
Wow!
We're so new, I really don't know all their names yet. We're working on it. I'm the newest one to the islands. I actually recently moved here from Pittsburgh. It's still hard for me to say, born in Los Angeles, moved to Pittsburgh, and that was when I discovered what they really meant by White Christmas. Now I'm back at the beach, and I know how it's supposed to be. We've got it right here. So we'd like to sing another song for you, and we hope you enjoy. Aloha, Spirit. Thank you. Oh, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window, carols at the spinet. Yes, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. It hasn't snowed a single flurry, but Santa dear, we're in a hurry. So haul out the holly, put up the tree before my spirit falls again. Fill up the stocking, I may be rushing things, but deck the halls again now. For I've grown a little leaner, grown a little colder, grown a little sadder, grown a little older, and I need a little angel sitting on my shoulder. Need a little Christmas, need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window, carols at the spinet. Yes, we need a little